Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here on the Crown Princess and we want to give you a cabin tour of our cabin. It is a balcony cabin here and it's A723. Let's go check it out. So we're here in cabin A723. It's a balcony cabin. And do you want to give us a quick tour, Andrea?
Sure. When you come in, there's two light switches. One controls a light above the bed, and one is here for the entryway.
A large mirror.
Really good sized mirror. Easy to check your outfit in.
We'll check the closet and the restroom in a moment. So
come on in.
You've got a nightstand here with two drawers, one on each side of the bed.
They roll open, which is nice for storing things, and a lamp here. There's no plug on this side though.
So a huge mirror above the bed there. And this is what the cabin looks like going this way. Do you want to walk around there? So a king size bed, and then another nightstand.
The same. There are two light switches here though.
Okay. And then
nice vanity area with a chair. We'll open up this. Some shelving.
And that's where the plugs are for the room. So one thing we did notice, there are not any European plugs, just two North American plugs right there. And there's a phone, and then you've got your hair dryer. How powerful is it? Decent. We'll check out the balcony in a moment. Let's just keep going here. So we've got a pretty big TV, probably a 40-inch or so LG TV. And I did notice there is a USB port up here as well. So I don't know if that'll charge your devices, but it is there. And we've got a little kind of shelf area here. And what's down below?
Drink station.
Drink station.
Mini cooler.
Mini cooler. And a small little table behind you there.
Yes.
So you've got our magnet. Is the wall metal? It is perfect. And the ceiling,
really
it is perfect. So yeah, we like these hooks. If you need some hooks, we'll have those linked below in the description. Shall we check out the
closet?
The closet and washroom area.
Yeah, let's come on down.
Now you notice that this is on a sensor.
Yes, when you walk into the closet, the light turns on automatically. Let's start with the shelves though here.
Okay.
I'll open the shelf or the cupboard. So there's a safe in here. Quite a few open shelving, which is great.
And then a large open storage area here.
Yeah, and there's
lots of hangers.
Hangers on both sides. This is really long, really long.
And storage up top, and our life jackets here as well. So
lots of space. All right,
and then
let's check out the washroom.
The washroom. A couple hooks I noticed on the back of the door.
Oh, that's good. Let's check out the shower. So now.
Uh-oh, it's a shower curtain.
It is a shower curtain.
It is a little older of a ship, so.
And it's a little bit of a low shower head.
Ooh.
Not too bad, but that is definitely low. So there is the clothesline here, which is good. And
then you've got, it's kind of
to go down here. So there's a shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1 and shower gel.
Now is that, do you think, for washing your feet?
You know what? I don't know. Maybe it's for cleaning? I don't know.
Interesting. Your toilet.
What? Hand towels.
Lots of towel racks up there.
And some shelving here on the side.
A little plug there for your razors and cups.
And I really like this. With their liquid hand soap, they also have body lotion. That's nice.
Nice big mirror here. And then a little bit more storage down below.
Now let's check out the balcony. I'm really excited about this. Oh. Yeah, here we go.
It slides. I really like that it slides.
You can leave it open.
So what do we have out here? We've got two chairs, a little table, and some great views. We're in Vancouver right now, so that's Stanley Park out here as well. Nice big balcony.
That's really nice. I like this. So this is cabin A723 on the Crown Princess.